Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we cover the syllabus for the Cisco Collaboration Architecture Sales Essentials exam and explain what you need to learn to pass with confidence. Overview of the exam domains and weightings. Cisco Security Architecture 20%, Cloud Security 20%, Security Management 20%, Web and Email Security 15%, Advanced Threat 15%, and Next Generation Firewall 10%. Each domain combines conceptual understanding with scenario-based assessment and has suggested study hours to help you prioritize your preparation. Cisco Security Architecture carries 20% of the exam and focuses on a comprehensive security strategy and the integration of the Cisco security portfolio with Thales Intelligence. You will learn the integrated security portfolio concepts such as cross-platform visibility, analytics, open APIs, and the benefits of an integrated threat defense using SecureX orchestration. The syllabus highlights Thales threat intelligence including global telemetry, vulnerability research, rapid detection and rule distribution, and how Thales integrates across Cisco products. Difficulty is medium, estimated learning time is 8 hours, and assessment is conceptual plus scenario-based. Cloud security is weighted 20% and emphasizes DNS layer security, cloud access security broker functions, and cloud-native application visibility. Study Cisco umbrella for DNS layer enforcement, secure internet gateway architecture, intelligent proxy and file inspection, cloud-delivered firewall capabilities, and integration with roaming clients and AnyConnect. Learn Cisco CloudLock for CASB fundamentals, DLP for SaaS, user and entity behavior analytics, application discovery, and policy automation for Office 365, G Suite, and Salesforce. Difficulty is easy, estimated time is 6 hours, and assessment is conceptual plus scenario-based. Security management makes up 20% and concentrates on identity-based access control, zero trust principles, and centralized policy administration. Expect to master Cisco Identity Services Engine for context-aware identity management, NAC and 802.1x, device profiling, posture assessment, TrustSec and SGT implementation, and PX Grid integration. You will also cover Cisco Duo for zero trust access, MFA deployment, adaptive access policies, endpoint health checks, and SSO integration to protect both on-premises and cloud applications. This domain is hard. Estimated learning time is 12 hours, and assessment is conceptual plus scenario-based. Web and email security is 15% and focuses on protecting against web-based threats, phishing, and email data exfiltration. Study the Cisco Email Security Appliance for anti-spam and anti-malware, phishing protection, email authentication like SPF DKIM and DMARC, DLP for email, and integration with secure malware analytics. For web protection, learn the Web Security Appliance proxying and URL filtering, HTTPS inspection, application visibility and behavioral analysis, and centralized management via SMA. Difficulty is medium, estimated learning time is 7 hours, and assessment is conceptual plus scenario-based. Advanced threat accounts for 15% and emphasizes endpoint detection and response plus advanced malware analysis. You will learn Cisco secure endpoint capabilities for advanced malware protection, continuous analysis, retrospective security, EDR workflows, file and device trajectory mapping, and vulnerability query techniques. Study Cisco secure malware analytics for static and dynamic sandboxing, behavioral indicators, threat scoring, automation for SOC workflows, and playbook integration to combat evasive malware. Difficulty is hard. Estimated learning time is 9 hours, and assessment is conceptual plus scenario-based. Next Generation Firewall comprises 10% and covers implementation of Cisco Secure Firewall for threat-focused network protection. Learn NGIPS implementation, application visibility and control, advanced URL filtering and SSL inspection, integrated AMP on the firewall, firepower threat defense unified software, and high availability and scalability options. Also study Firepower Management Center for centralized policy management, event correlation, reporting, health monitoring, rule optimization, and integration with cloud analytics. Difficulty is medium, estimated learning time is 10 hours, and assessment is conceptual plus scenario-based. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the Cisco Collaboration Architecture Sales Essentials exam. Use the domain weights and estimated study hours to plan focused study, practice scenario-based questions, and review the key technologies highlighted in each domain before your exam.